Hey guys, just gonna click my mic so I can talk. Hey, what's up? Hi everybody. Hello. Hi Mayank. Hi Sakshi. This is cranberry juice, okay? Hi everyone. कल का episode बहुत cute था. I loved the. Who is this Ayush X Mahi? I loved yesterday's episode. It was so cute with our task, and honestly, me and Ayush performed really well. Here's my teddy, by the way. Anyways, should I add? Okay. Request is not there anymore. Hi, Asa. Hey guys, this live video is not going to be too long. I just wanted to say hi to everyone and thank you so much for joining. Thank you for the support. Somebody saying hottest of the season. Hey guys. So there's a whole war going on with Tain Sadaf and all on Instagram. Kemcho. Kemcho is hi in Gujarati. I know Kemcho. Hi. So yes, Tain is like a kid and honestly guys बहुत drama है और strategy भी है. मेरी strategy है. And there's a reason I told him I'm crazy about him. It's not that I had like intense feelings. I thought he was okay, but I really want something to happen, which like I have a plan. I want Tain to get eliminated. So let's see what I can do because I like mischief. My voice is not audible. Okay, let me turn off the mic. Wait 1 second. Hi guys, can you hear me now? Somebody add a text if you can hear me. Hi Gavin, how's it going? Hi Shushti. Tain is the Red Forest. Who else? Curd Rice. I only named him Curd Rice. Hey Shushti, how are you? Can you guys hear me now? Just write yes. Thank you. And by the way guys, no makeup, no concealer, no blush. This is my redness of my skin from laughing at Curd Rice all day. Yes, my bear is from IKEA. It's super cute. Thanks Tashi. So guys, I have nothing to say क्योंकि अभी the show is getting very toxic and I'm only getting tired of it. I'm like यार खत्म कर दो यार. It's like it's literally too much like drama, hate, bullshit. Real life mein, I have a beautiful job. I love my career. It's full of glamour. Yesterday I was walking for a designer in front of 100 people with camera, stage and everything, and that's my thing. Like, you know, being somewhere where people are respectful and, you know, we're having fun. A lot of girls are there and we're having fun. We're gossiping and, you know, all the things that I like. And Splitsvilla Abhi is just getting very shitty and very toxic. Even Tain, if you notice guys, Jab Tain is talking to me, he's blushing and giggling like a little girl. I'm still standing and just politely talking. This guy is like blushing. So he did like me. I don't even want to say, but yeah. Hi guys, I'm reading your comments. Please Hindi bolo. Main Hindi थोड़ी आती हूँ. Didi, please add me. My birthday is here. Okay, I can add you. Thank you guys. Love me in Supermodel, love me in Reality, Rani, love me in Splits and Glories. Guys, ये topic है कि reality shows बहुत difficult है. तो I know there's a lot of hate online and people are just judging characters and all. I just want to say कि reality shows is not a real life. Real life mein we would never approach guys or do anything. Like in reality shows mein, it's all about survival. So if you don't have the best guy, if you don't have the best, strongest connection, my bear, you will literally get eliminated, right? So that's why show mein even Sondaria is running after Himanshu. Himanshu, be with me, Himanshu, kyunki we know we need a strong player agar we will get eliminated, right? So guys, I have never run after any guy in my life. You can ask all my friends or just come to Mumbai for 2 days. Guys are crashing into the wall and all with their car because they're looking back and, you know, staring at me and my model friends. So aise nahi that there's no guy and I have to chase a guy. That's bullshit. I just want to say कि इस शो में हिंदी बहुत ज़रूरत है क्योंकि ऑडियंस हिंदी ऑडियंस है और मेरी हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है. I'm still learning. And Tain and lot of people said to me off camera, Anjali, I need a partner who speaks good Hindi. So yes, ये एक controversy है that there is a reason Tain did not select me and it's because of speaking. क्योंकि Sadaf speaks pretty good Hindi. If you remember, I don't even want to go there, guys. Tane is a kid. You can just see what he's posting today on his Instagram. वो बहुत childish है, and like I don't find him attractive as a man. I think he's very, very toxic. I would not date a guy like Tane. Thank you. Very in the 30 like ठीक है. I like Akanksha. I really think she's a good person. The show, ये Splitsvilla बहुत toxic था, guys, and है. And you know, it's very hard to stay friends with everyone. Even starting में मुझे लगता था कि Tane and me were also friends. We talk, we laugh about things, and abhi we literally became enemies. He's posting me and putting on his like Instagram, and he doesn't know me. I'm like, Tane, you don't know that I'm a red flag, but I can see he's aggressive, bro. He's a boxer, right? So uska chehre mein thoda aggression hai, even when he's looking like Sadaf didn't perform well, and he just gives this face, and I'm like, bro, a guy I like would just be like, oh, Anjali didn't perform well, how cute. Like a guy I like would just like me no matter what I do. So he looks too competitive, and I don't like that aggression. Change say, I think it's a little weird. Corny, hi Dhruv. So guys, I'd love to speak Hindi with you, but you have to correct me because I'm still learning, and मैं थोड़ा like shy हूँ, embarrassed हूँ if I make a mistake. Literally 100% yes. तो बॉम्बे में मैं बहुत auditions जा रही हूँ. And audition mein they're like, Anjali, you need to be fluent in Hindi, you need to learn your accent. And so many teachers approach me ki Anjali, lose this accent, and I can't lose it because I'm South Indian, guys, and my mom is German, and it's the way I am, it's the way I've been born. So this is me, and literally I will just take my stand and say ki aise nahi that it's not like I cannot get selected, because Ayush selected me. And this was not even shown. Ayush came to me and he was like, Anjali, I think you're really pretty. Will you play with me? And that was so cute. Like, this is what I wanted from whoever. Just to be like, I want to play with you. Not because, you know, of this, that. I like you as a person. I wanted that. Like, bina politics and all. So Ayush came to me. He was like, Anjali, you're really pretty. I want to play with you. Will you please play with me? So we became a pair, and बहुत similarities था. So I really like that. But yeah, guys, I will make this very clear कि I have no problem getting a guy in real life. I don't even care. I don't have to take this topic because it's so odd and so weird. I know myself. I know that people call me supermodel. I know what kind of work I have, what kind of body I made, what kind of skin I have, and मैं बहुत confident हूँ और talented भी. So I have no problem at all. लेकिन Splitsvilla में and even Roadies में भी, yes. Even Roadies में भी मेरी हिंदी थोड़ा problematic था. तो one or two guys told me that, you know, I can't play with you because of your Hindi. And Tane told me this. And look at Tane's Hindi. Baap re. Like, he can't say a word. And that's why he keeps getting up and running out of the dome. Because Tane can't say one sentence also. He's like, Mera naam Tane hai. Chaksh mera bhai hai. I'm sorry. I have to roast Curd Rice, guys. It's so fun. Because I do think he's toxic as a person. And I'm not afraid to say it. And roasting ek love language hai, by the way. Like, I've always liked to tease and roast guys. School time say, you know, it's just fun, you know, to like, it's called banter. It's called banter, like to just, you know, go back and forth and make a lot of jokes. And if a guy can't do that, I'm like, bro, you're so boring. So I found him really boring, to be honest. Guys, हमारी task बहुत crazy था. Like Ayush और मैं, we were so like, you know, synchronized, बहुत synchronized था. We were just walking together, running so fast. If you watch the episode, हम बहुत fast था. Like, we were just running, and even the boxes I was doing like this. Tane is like, she did this. He's so slow. And I was like, thank God I did not play with him. And Ayush and me killed it. Lekin he just chose these very weird topics about me, guys. I know even I said he doesn't shower. Lekin not showering and all, that's a topic I can manage. It's not so bad. Lekin Ayush literally ne bola tha ki Anjali goes out with cricketers. She's been engaged twice. Kyuki she's 27, so she might have been engaged twice. And guys, I've just met Ayush, but if a guy is judging my character, aise, like so badly, I'm not sure I want to be with him more or not. To be very honest, I've really liked him. I thought he's a lovely guy, very sweet. Lekin I thought he was not very observing, or as I said, is show mein you really have to be with someone who's protecting you, a guy who's protecting you, a guy who jo bahut strong hai, you know, so that you don't get eliminated. This is the only reason we keep on, you know, approaching new guys, is because we think they might be stronger and it might help us not get eliminated. Tane's behavior bahut I don't want to go to his level. Lekin I think he's a little toxic. Thanks guys. Ayush is not on the chat, I guess. Ayush, hi. Ayush went live before this and now he left the chat. Thanks guys. I don't know who all is friends now and who is not. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you so much for all the love. I'm only seeing love as chat mein and I'm very, very thankful. Me and Yogesh, I don't know what happened, but koi nahi. Shows mein everyone gets heartbroken and hurt, so give back to Sadaf. Guys, honestly, I don't even want to give her bow or screen time kyunki I know who's been in the industry for a long time, who gets movie roles, who gets work, and I don't care ki kitna followers hai. I know Mary worth kya hai, and you know who I am in Bombay. Everybody knows me over here and I have a very nice career. So I don't want to give this blondie bow, you know, who's bleached her hair so much. And honestly, I think मुझे लगता है कि I just open my mouth and she starts screaming. क्योंकि ये सदफ का first show है, वो ये सदफ का पहली show है, right? So she really wants to be like, guys, this is me, see me, see me. And literally, if you notice, she keeps on screaming for no reason. जानबूझ के she just keeps screaming. So I'm not giving her any space or screen time. Mary account mein. It's all about me and my life and my search for love, or my love that I found splits mein. Who knows? Let's see. And let her keep on trying to get screen time, guys. I really don't care. So my parents raised me in a way ki I will always respect women. I will never scream, hit or hurt a woman, and she has threatened to hit and hurt me twice. So I mean, who is she? Like, I can literally take a police case right now because she threatened to hurt or injure me. So I just feel that this girl is just crazy and she's just trying too hard, and I don't even care, to be very, very honest. But yeah, she keeps screaming about me. Oh guys, मुझे लगता है, and I'd like to say this, कि I like to prove myself task में. Yesterday I was not that strong task में क्योंकि मैं और आयुष का coordination थोड़ा, we have to work on it. लेकिन next task में I will definitely do my 100% to show Sadaf her place. And I don't think he's screaming or, you know, tearing a woman down is the way to win. I think you want to win, show your strength in the task, right? So guys, don't give up on me. I'm not some ladai wali ladki who's, you know, gonna freak out and scream and, you know, show my teeth and say I'm gonna fuck you up. I'm a girl. I'm a classy girl. मैं एक classy girl हूँ. And if I want to take my stand, I will do it task में, where I have been prepared and I have a strong partner मेरे साथ. तो I think मुझे लगता है अभी Sadaf and Tane बहुत like overconfident है, and they think they're great, been an ideal match. But इस show में a lot of other things are important. And honestly, इसलिए they're my enemies. But जब somebody disrespects me, I will give it back later. Task में जो भी, let's see. But I will give it back and I will take my stand. So don't worry guys about anything. I know she's just screaming, but it's just noise. Literally just noise. Because she's telling me, Anjali, shut up. Then I was like, you also shut up. She's like, don't use that word with me. Don't use that fucking word with me. Arey, you just use the word with me. Like, doesn't make sense. Her and Sundarya are looking like gundas, you know. They're both like just ganging up. And we're like, why you guys are ganging up, bro? This is Splitsvilla, not roadies. Ye roadies nahi hai. Why do we have gangs and all? Like, these girls are acting so... Ooh. Sorry. This is cranberry juice. At Ayush. Guys, Ayush just did live for 2 hours. मैं busy थी. And I think he's gone offline now. Thank you so much, guys. Yogesh ka ideal match is himself, I guess. Hi, Tenzin. My Hindi is superb. Thank you. Guys, English बहुत difficult है. Thank God I was good in English school में. Otherwise, English is very difficult. But yeah, Hindi is more easier than English. मुझे लगता है, लेकिन मेरी हिंदी friends ज़्यादा नहीं है. Like I have more friends from South and all, and we just speak those languages. So yeah, I always maintain my elegance and grace. Thank you guys. Please talk in Hindi. I'm so embarrassed. मैं कोशिश करूँगी. I don't know how to say. I think so. मैं कोशिश करूँगी. Hi Tenzin, Yogesh and Akanksha. I am not saying anything. But yeah. So guys, who is your favorite Paisa Villa say? That I want to know. Thank you guys. Am I friends with Kat? I respect Kat. मुझे नहीं पता कि what is their dating का history or dating का story. तेने बोला था वो बहुत toxic था, लेकिन मुझे लगता है दो sides है, हर story में दो sides है. So I think I'm supporting the girl in this one because I have observed his personality and I've seen few things. So definitely I will always support a girl more. And yeah, I'd love to support women. So when somebody's telling me I'm gonna fuck you up, I'm like, girl, what do I even say? Like, where did you learn such... Ew. How did you learn to treat women like this? Ew. Like, I can't even. And even though I'm acting cute, maybe strong who, and I will give it back in a classy way. Like, you guys don't even have to worry about that. What am I talking about? I'm talking about blonde haired auntie. Anyways, am I into Ayush? I think Ayush is a really sweet guy. I think वो बहुत sweet है, very very sweet gentleman भी है. लेकिन कल का task में he was judging me a lot because he said I was engaged twice and I go for dinner cricketers के साथ. तो मुझे लगता है वो बहुत like disrespectful था, honestly, to think that a girl does such things. And Ayush knows me now. We've been hanging out for 2-3 days, villa mein, talking a lot. And I was like, how can you judge me itna sa, you know, like that's a little weird. So I'm still thinking what to say or what to do. Like, and we played really well task mein. And yeah, guys, I've been so like, मैं बहुत shy थी to come on this chat with no makeup. So yeah, this is literally my day-to-day look with like nothing on my face. Absolutely nothing. I am reading all your chats. Who are my friends with off screen? See guys, agar I tell you who my friends are off screen, you'll get to know about what happened in the show. So बहुत twists hai, बहुत drama masala bhi hai, and I don't want to tell you who is my friend off screen, who is my friend on screen. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support, क्योंकि बहुत hate भी है, and I don't even know why. मुझे लगता है the hate is just Sadaf or Sandaria or Tain ka PR stunts. You know how people pay for paid PR? They literally pay 20 or 40,000 and they get all the, you know, comments, negative comments on the enemies ka page. So I have a feeling that all the hate is, you know, Sadaf's paid PR kyunki she's a little and desperate for fame. So yeah, I'm not even like, hi Anisha, I'm not even worried about the hate because I feel it's a paid PR. And like, I don't want to cry about anything. My life बहुत beautiful hai. I have good friends. I have, you know, so many guys who have crush on me. लेकिन मैं थोड़ा like selective हूँ. मैं बहुत careful हूँ like who I want to date. So yeah. But Ayush is a lovely guy. Very, very sweet, and his parents raised him amazing. Hats off to Ayush's parents. Yeah, he's a gentleman. Like literally. Guys, a curd rice ka joke मेरी है. So actually we were just talking, मैं Akanksha Diksha सुबह में, and I called him curd rice क्योंकि Saurabh was rajma chawal and it's just the opposite thing. So I was like, bro, Taina's like curd rice, and Sunny loved my joke and Sunny started calling him curd rice. I was like, "Arey bro." And you can say that Tain, you know, you can see that Tain was like a little pissed off. He's like, why they're calling me curd rice? But he couldn't say anything. Anyways, chalos guys, so I'm gonna go. I'm seeing all your comments. They are so funny. Why me, Tain and Sadaf don't follow each other? Give me a good guess. Why don't we follow each other? बहुत obvious है यार. They're not an ideal match. मुझे नहीं पता what they are trying to accomplish. if they're not an ideal match. So honestly guys, ये एक dating show है, ये एक dating show है, and honestly it's not very real. I would say, like, the love is not very real. Mostly we're trying not to get eliminated and we're looking for strong partners. So it's not a desperation or something, purely strategy hai that we are looking, okay, सबसे strongest partner कौन है, so we can literally, you know, play a good game, be safe, give drama, give masala. So ऐसे नहीं like it's desperation and you're chasing someone. I literally, जब I approach someone to play, I always say, hey, do you want to play alongside of me? But Tane, I said I was crazy about him क्योंकि मेरी strategy थोड़ा अलग है. You will find out next episode में why I said that. And you're going to see a lot of funny stuff, guys. So don't think, you know, I made a mistake or I'm getting, you know, beat up by Sadaf. मेरी strategy है और मेरी gang बहुत strong है and they're all supporting me. So don't worry. I did tell him that I liked him क्योंकि ये हमारी strategy है, and you're going to see in the next episode what that strategy is. So yeah guys, I will be roasting curd rice till the day I die because some funny things happened and I will roast him, and I love to roast him. So yeah, you can see Tane ka account mein, he literally put like emojis on us and he's doing such toxic stuff. I'm like, bro, are you like 18, 19 or 15 years old that you have to put emojis on the other contestants? Like, bruh, I can also do some funny stuff, but I feel like maybe I can. Who knows? Anyways, representing South Indian girls. Yes, guys, I am South Indian and Splitsvilla mein racism hai against non-Hindi speakers. And 2-3 guys, I'm not taking the name right now, 2-3 contestants ने बोला था, Anjali, I cannot pair with you Hindi की वजह से. And मैं बहुत hurt थी guys क्योंकि I am strong. I did yesterday's task really well and I actually wanted to date someone. So I was like, bro, I was actually wanting to date someone in the show and out of the show also. Hi Anis. So yeah, जब people were judging me Hindi की वजह से, not Sadaf because Sadaf is on some other planet. Other guys were judging me Hindi की वजह से, and they told me personally, Anjali, I need someone who gives me good TRP, who speaks Hindi really well. And मैं बहुत hurt थी यार because I did a hard work. I went to the show. मैं एक contestant हूँ, and you know, you are literally judging me Hindi की वजह से, and now how do I, you know, like how do I perform? So thank God, I mean, it's a mess. It is a mess. लेकिन I'm strong, and you know, मैं बहुत, like, how do I say, determined हूँ. I'm gonna do something good over here. But yeah guys, बहुत toxic environment है and it's very difficult to survive. हर dome में एक elimination है, and literally like we are all thinking, okay, how can I survive this dome? And we're literally just talking to each other and making a lot of strategies. बहुत strategies है. And like literally guys, Splitsvilla is like roadies. Look at my roadies audition. Guys, I said I'm a model, and don't you realize that there's an editor who does the editing, cuts the worst parts. Agar somebody does not win the show, task, audition, ya kuch bhi hai, literally the editor will cut the worst parts, put funny music iske upar, put the weirdest looking parts. So guys, roadies was shit. I agree it's shit. And honestly, they treat girls really bad, roadies mein. Okay, see my arms right now. I'm a model. I told them मेरी strength legs है. They're like, Anjali, climb this rope to the ceiling. Anjali, do push-ups. If you notice, Devanshi and that other girl did not do, okay, other girl did physical tasks. Devanshi did not do one task. Nahi one push-up, not even one push-up, not even one box jump, not even climbing anything. If you guys want me to talk about roadies, let's talk about roadies. Devanshi did not do shit. Unka audition mein, she was just like, oh, I have this history of suicide, blah, blah, whatever she said. Does that help you in a survival show? No, right? That's just like a emotional story. I'm sorry to say. If you guys want me to take this topic, let's take the topic and actually discuss it, because it doesn't make sense, right? Devanshi didn't do one physical task roadies audition mein. She got selected. Q. Why didn't they ask her to do push-ups, right? So guys, बहुत पॉलिटिक्स है, बहुत ड्रामा है और थोड़ा स्क्रिप्टेड भी है. यू कैन नॉट जज कि ओ माई गॉड यू वर शिट ओवर देयर. रियल लाइफ में थिंग्स आर अमेजिंग एंड गाइज इट्स जस्ट अ शो. Literally it's just a show and lot of things are cut, lot of things are edited, lot of things can be scripted also. So guys, you can never judge somebody but performance ki wajah se. I want you to judge people on how they talk, how they treat other people, if they're screaming galis and shit, because that's what some blondie is doing. So I think that is something that I would not like in a show. Not being able to do a push-up it doesn't matter, koi farak nahi padta, right? Because whatever. And literally guys, my life accomplishment is not to be in roadies. I don't give a shit, to be very honest. I want to be successful my life mein, and I'm working very hard on that every single day. So yeah, I'm proud of myself, and roadies didn't happen, and that's totally fine. So yeah, thank you guys. We are all friends at the moment. Akanksha, Diksha, me, Suzanne. Hi Sarah. Who won the season? I can't tell you. Please forget Ayush, go ahead. No, we are very cute. Acha, please forget the mistake. Ayush, go ahead. You're both very cute. Mujhe bhi lagta tha we were really cute kal ka episode mein. Hi Himanshu, how are you? I really thought Ayush and me were very cute kal ka episode mein. Like, there was a great friendship and great bonding, which I never saw it before. It was very, very cute, and we were looking so cute together. Thanks guys. It is a game and there's a lot of negativity, but it doesn't mean anyone is a bad person. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm gonna say good night. हाँ, my Hindi is getting better. थोड़ा better है अभी. Maybe 2-3 show के बाद I'll know like fluent Hindi. No, I'm joking. I'll get a teacher now and I'll just focus. I just have to focus on that. Okay guys, thank you so much. You will fight for me. Thank you. I will also fight to stay in the show, and you know that. Thanks guys. Who is the best performer? I think sab acha performers hai, but obviously my team and my gang, I will say, are the best performers. I'm not a team 10. Never. Not today, not any day. So yeah, मेरी gang में सब best performers है, and I'm really proud of my gang. Thanks guys. Himanshu, let's meet soon. Okay guys, so many comments. Thank you so much. My native. South Indian are safe though. If we talk about it, we'll be judged. Thank you guys. I think yeah, there is a separation of languages in India. It will always be like that, but I hope we just get a little more accepting of each other. And for everybody giving hate, I would love to see any of you people sitting on your couch or your computer chair and writing hate comments. Please come to a show. First of all, get selected. First of all, know how to talk. First of all, know how to play. Come and win the show. Let's see if any of you hate comment people will even get selected audition mein. Because there's a huge process. So you can write all the hate that you want, but it does not affect. Because you will not even get selected for a show. I'm so sorry to say. So yeah guys, with that said, thanks for all the love, and I'm literally gonna say good night now because I want to have my dinner. How Akanksha is gonna play. Akanksha बहुत sweet hai, and she's with literally the best guy who's gonna protect her. Splitsvilla mein protection बहुत important hai. So yeah, I'm not passing derogatory comments on my live guys, but I am getting derogatory comments for roadies, and it's literally just a show, and the बहुत politics hai, like I cannot even say. So yeah. Okay guys, thanks for all the love. I'm gonna go right now. Just came to say thanks for watching yesterday's episode. बहुत fun tha, and I'm really excited for next week because there's a lot of twists. Bye. Lots of love. Good night.